Oh, Luki.
Yes.
What are you doing?
Nothing.
What do you have behind you?
Nothing. Toys.
Toys? Which toys?
Cars.
Cars? Can we play cars?
Yeah.
I think Chocolate will tell me. What do you have? Come here, Chocolate. Tell me what he has.
Okay, Mama. Come help me open the egg.
Oh, whoa. It's Ryan's Giant Mystery Eggs.
Giant mystery egg exclusive.
Oh, what we can get?
These are all of the things we can get.
What do we can get?
Build a Ryan, where we can build a character. Stickers, tattoos. Ooh, putty, it's like slime. Mystery figure, the vehicle, a squishy figure. Let's go.
Guys, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
Yeah, subscribe.
Hit like and subscribe. We'd really appreciate it. Okay, guys, let's open.
it.
Can you open?
No. Let me try.
Okay. No. It's right here.
Oh.
Okay, Chocolate.
Alright. Oh.
Another case.
Yay!
Right
I'm
here.
gonna open it. Right here?
It's for you.
Wow. Oh. Let's see, what is it?
Chocolate is
How
helping.
do I open this? Oh, got it. Wow.
Wow.
Let's take it out. And there's another one too down here.
Okay, that's a big surprise. Let's
Open
open.
this. Help me.
Okay, we open the rest of them. Shoot the cover so you guys are not bored. Let's open.
Okay, which one should we open first? Let's do the middle one.
Where's that?
Oh, it's the figures inside.
Okay, let's see.
Wow.
Where's that?
Which kind of it?
Is it an alien or what?
No, it looks like it's a scuba diver. Squishy.
Oh, it's squishy.
Yeah, it's a squishy toy.
Awesome.
Some of them are, these are all squishy. Whoa. Now let's see, which one? Let's open this one. Whoa. What's this?
Something pink.
It's Alpha.
Who is Alpha?
It's Alexa. It's Alpha Alexa.
Uh-huh.
It's not squishy. It's a toy one. It's Alpha Alexa, the cat. Or the fox. Her arms move. The head moves. And oh, falls apart.
Did you take her head away?
Let's do this one.
Okay.
It's another toy one. It has a magnifying glass. Let's see. It's like a detective.
Oh. Detective Ryan?
Yeah. Where's crime? Let's see what else. It's
King?
King Ryan.
What do you have in your other hand?
A staff.
Oh, you put it in his hand?
Yes. King Ryan, listen to me. That's it?
That's it?
No more mystery toys.
No, there is
See
one
another one.
more.
Guess what it is?
I don't know. Come on. Da 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 da.
It's a toy car.
Wow.
Let's put some money in it. I'm gonna choose this ride.
Oh, so you can put the figures in.
Yeah, they stand.
Oh, that's awesome.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
There's only one squishy.
Let me see how it squishes.
Ooh, it's water.
It's a little bit disgusting.
It's like green water.
Do you want to put tattoos on?
Yeah.
Let's
Let's go
go.
put it on.
Okay, so we're ready to do a tattoo.
Yep.
Yeah, we're in the bathroom. Which one did you pick?
This one. I changed my
Is
mind.
it pirate?
Yeah, it's Pirate Run. So you have to take off this, peel this off.
Okay, peel it off.
We put it upside down on my hand. So I put it on.
Press it.
You're a specialist.
Press it, press it. 1 second. Okay, and now
Now I'm gonna put it on top. The
napkin
wet.
to wet it. Put it. Wet it, wet it.
I can see it. It's getting easier to see.
Okay, put a little more so it's for sure. Закладка.
You got it.
She got it. Закладка. Okay. Okay.
We'll let you in.
Okay. Remove it. Whoa!
Look, it got off.
It got off, of course. Let me see. Pirate.
Is it? I thought it was a sticker. It looks real.
Also pirate.
But when you look closer, it's more like part of your skin.
Guys, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
Yeah, subscribe.
Hit like and subscribe.
Like
We'd
and
really appreciate it.
subscribe.